In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix power button in your Android phone without using the air blower or a lighter. I'll be teaching you a simple step on how to do this. In today's video, we'll be using pictorial aspect, so it is already in the picture and it has been numbered from 1 to 4 step. So number 1, as you are seeing on the screen there, that button is condemn power button. The power button is broken, so it's not good again. So as you can see, it is very dirty. What you need to do, you have to clean that button properly with either paraffin, fuel or spirit to make it very clean. After that, you can add some quantity of lead there. So look at the next button, step 2. The button has been already cleaned. It is very shiny so that you can mount the new one. You can top some lead there so that it will hold the power button you are mounting on. Number 3, that is the new power button. Remember, when doing this, what you need is your soldering iron. And make sure your soldering iron is plugged. It's very hot, as you are seeing on the screen there. So you place it. Since those things are flex now, it will not be hard or difficult to remove. So step 4 now is placing the power key on top of that 4 lead. Make sure the power key you are putting, or the power button you are putting, is the same thing as the one you remove. If not, it will not match. So just place them, hold them properly so that the lead will hook properly. So when you just follow this 4 step I outlined in this video, you can repair a power button without using your rework station or blowing machine, without even damaging the flex or even changing new flex. That's just a simple way of doing it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix your screen or your display connector with soldering iron. So there are 4 steps on how to do this. First one is to make sure that your soldering iron is hot. After that, you keep the flex containing your power flex, containing your power clip on it. Keep it on top of that soldering iron. When it hot to a certain amount, you just use your picker or your tweezer to remove it, as you are seeing in the right picture. So after you remove it, you clean it properly, add some lead there. So the next one is to fix another power connector, another display or screen connector. Make sure the leg are matching. So after fixing that, you press it with your tweezer or your picker. Just leave it for some time and allow it to hook. It will just go properly. That's just a simple way of fixing your display connector. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.